Turn any cake into a healthy cake with a super healthy blueberry frosting. Oil-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, nut-free, high protein, super powerful, but super tasty and super creamy. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a cup of wild blueberries into a powerful blender. Along with 6 soft dates. And a package of firm tofu. Next, blend it until super creamy. Now enjoy the world's healthiest blueberry frosting! Thanks for watching!